Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our geography 6th chapter, that is natural regions. So, dear students, just observe these images. In the following images, you can see housing, clothing, flora and fauna, and variety of food. So now what you have to do? Now you have to do a small activity which is given in your textbook. See page number 30 and 31. You just observe these images. If you have used or experienced any of the things which you've seen in the images, you just put a tick mark in front of that images. If you have just seen the things but not used, then put a star mark in front of that images. Or if you have never seen or experienced the things which are given in that pictures, then put a cross mark in front of the particular images. So you can complete this activity. Like that way you can complete that activity in your textbook. So on completing this activity, you will come to know that there exist a large number of different things in the world than those we see in our surroundings. We see different educational and informative TV programs about wildlife. We became curious to know more about this wildlife. Why is this wildlife not seen in our areas? Why are they not similar to the things in our areas? Or what causes these differences? Or so let us try to find out the reasons behind all these things. So there are differences in the terms of landforms, climate, soils, etc. in different parts of the world. The difference is mainly due to the availability of sunlight and water in that particular region. So the availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to both the poles. You have studied this in this your previous standard, in your 6th standard. You come to know. So differences in landforms and climate and soil greatly influence the flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means what? Animal life and flowers and animal life and human life, and give rise to variations in a biodiversity in a different parts of the world. On the other hand, on the other side, there are similarities of the climate, vegetation and animal life. Different areas, different there is a differences we can see, the similarities we can see. These similarities stand out as the distinctive features of these particular regions, as these regions stand out on the basis of natural factors. They are called natural regions. The natural environment of such regions affect the living world, including human beings also. The natural environment of such regions affects the living world, including human beings. The entire land area on the earth can be divided into these natural regions. All of you understood? The entire land on the earth can be divided into these natural regions. Now you just observe the table which is given on the page number 32 and 33 and try to understand about different natural regions. First one is tundra region. First one is tundra region. So see the location and extent in a tundra region. Between 65 degree to 90 degree parallels, Greenland, Canada and Europe and North Asia. The location is Greenland, Canada, Europe and Asia. The climate of tundra region is summer temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, whereas winter temperature is approximately minus 20 degree to 30 degree Celsius. In tundra region, the annual rainfall is up to 25 to 300 millimeter. That means very cold climate. Tundra region's climate is very cold. The natural vegetations, that means the short-lived vegetal life. The life of the vegetal is very short. The short grass, small shrubs, flowers and moss. The animal life of the tundra region is polar bears, foxes, walrus and seal. This kind of animals found in a tundra region. So in that area, in that region, the animals are with soft, thick and fur. Human life is they are depending on hunting and fisheries. Hide tents, igloo. You can see the picture, igloo, use of sleds, Eskimo people, tough life, population distribution highly sparse. So understood the term tundra region? Region is taiga region. So the location and extent of the taiga region is approximately between 55 degree and 65 degree north parallels from Alaska to the Atlantic coast, parts of Eurasia. The temperature. Now we are going to learn the climate of the taiga region. So the summer temperature is up to 15 degree to 20 degree Celsius. Winter temperature is below 0 degree Celsius and mean annual rainfall between 300 and 500 millimeter. The rainfall in summer and snowfall in a winter season. The natural vegetation is coniferous forest. Leaves are narrow, pointed, branches leaning towards the ground. Wood is light and soft. Fir, pine, redwood, etc. kind of plants are seen in a taiga region. Animal life. So we can see the animals in this taiga region have a soft and thick fur. Cabios, alex, amin, beavers, silver fox, minks, bears, etc. kinds of animals are found in a taiga region. In taiga region, population is less. Lumbering and hunting are major occupations in that area. Few agrarian activities are also do. So all of you understood the taiga region. Next is grasslands, means steppes and prairies. The climate of these grasslands between 30 degree and 50 degree north and south parallels in the interior parts of the continents. Steppes Eurasia, West South Africa, Pampas South America and prairies North America, Downs Australia, etc. is the location of grasslands. Climate. The climate of this region is summer temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius, whereas winter temperature is below 0 degree Celsius. Annual rainfall 400 to 600 millimeter and rainfall mostly during the summer season. The natural vegetations are extensive grass ranches are seen in this region. Short grasses, growing lumps, grass gets dried up in a winter season. Elder, poplar trees are found in this region. Wild the life, animal life, that wildlife includes deer, horses, dogs, wolves, bisons, rabbits, hares, kangaroos, dingoes, etc. kinds of animals found in a grasslands. Domesticated animals like sheep, goat, cattle, horse, donkeys are also found in this region. So the human life in these regions are rearing the animals is the main occupation in this region. Earlier people had a nomadic life, lived in a hiatus. Kyrgyz people are no more nomadic, now stay in well-built houses. Understood about grasslands, their location, climate, animal life and human life. Next is hot desert region. So the location is between 20 degree and 30 degree north and south parallels. In the western parts of continents, Sahara and North Sahara, North Africa, Colorado, North America, Atacama, Kalahari and Thar, etc. The climate of this hot desert region is summer temperature is 30 degree to 45 degree Celsius. Winter temperature is 20 degree to 25 degrees Celsius and tremendous heat and very low rainfall in this region. The nights are very cold. So the natural vegetables in the vegetations in this region is thorny bushes with hardly any leaves. Leaves are narrow, oily, have a thick bark. Once moisturizer in soil is consumed, plants die. For example, cactus, sisal, palm tree, date palm, etc. So the animal life in this region, that camels survive for days without water. In this region, camels survive for many days without water, or a number of animals on the ground is less. Daytime life inside the ground, for example, snakes, rats, lizards, scorpions, etc. kinds of animals found in this region. Domesticated animals like horse, donkeys, sheep, oxen, etc. animals are also found in this region. Sahara, Bushmen, most of the needs get fulfilled. The human life, the most of the time the needs are getting fulfilled through animals. That in this area the agriculture is confined to river valley and oases. All of you understood about these four regions, about tundra region, about taiga, grasslands and hot desert region. Region is grassland, that is Sudan region. The location and extent of this region is between 5 degree to 20 degree north and south parallels in both the hemispheres. Savannah, that is Africa, Queensland, Australia, the Parkland, Africa, Lela- Lenaos and Campos, South America, and other grasslands. The climate of this region is the summer temperature is around 35 degrees Celsius, winter temperature around 24 degrees Celsius, and rainfall is around 250 to 1000 millimeter. In this region, hot and humid summer, warm and dry winter. The climate is warm and dry winter, hot and humid summer. So, in this region, the natural vegetation is tall and thick grass. Height of grass is around 6 meter. Trees are rare and they have umbrella like canopy like pineapple, cactus, sisal, etc. kinds of trees are found in this Sudan region. The animal life in this region is large number of herbivorous and carnivorous animals are found. Nature has gifted them with a speedy legs. Skin of these animals has colorful spots on the strips and bands. For example, lion, cheetah, wolf, zebra, elephant, buffalo, kangaroo, emu, etc. kinds of animals found in this Sudan region. The human life of this region is the houses are very simple with mud and walls, roof without windows, short in height and dome shaped huts called carals. This is the style of their houses. Hunting and rearing are the main occupation of these people lived in a Sudan region. For example, main tribes include Zulu, Hausa, Maasai, etc. Next is equatorial region. The location and extent of this region is between 5 degree north and 5 degrees south of the equator. Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Guinea, Congo Basin, Amazon Basin. The climate of this region is the summer temperature is around 30 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall is between 2500 and 3000 millimeter. High heat and rainfall throughout the year. Because of hot and humid air or a hot and humid climate, the vegetal litter decomposes leading to diseases. The vegetation, the dense evergreen forests are there. Variety of trees are found in this region. Tall hardwooded trees, for example, monarch, greenheart, rosewood, etc. kinds of trees found in this region. Animals like a great variety of animals found in this region. In marshland, crocodiles, anaconda, hippopotamus, etc. kinds of animals found in this region, or animals or birds living on a trees, for example chimpanzee, gorilla, hornbills, etc. Poisonous insects such as tsetse fly are found in this region. Or the last human life of this region, that human settlements are few. Human life is depend on nature. In this region, the human life is fully depend on nature, as population is mostly tribal. Houses are built on a trees. You can see the picture. Houses are built on the trees. Tribes like Pijims, Africa, Boro Indians, Simak, etc. kinds of tribes. All of you understood this till different types of natural regions. First, we learn about tundra region, then taiga region, grasslands, hot desert region, Sudan region, and equatorial region. All of you understood, student? Understood this table? Just go through this table once again. Okay, students?